Hi, and welcome back to Always Dolls. Let's explore ways to incorporate the new 2020 decor trends into the dollhouse. Today I have 3 simple crafts. First, let's explore the trend of bringing the outside in. I searched Google for images of geometric butterflies in the key colours of navy blue, chartreuse yellow and hot pink. I made a canvas from foam board and glued my printed images to it. I made 3 in total. To give the canvases a finished look, I painted skinny sticks matte black, another 2020 trend. It saves time to use masking tape to hold the skinny sticks down in groups when painting. I used an X-Acto knife to cut them to the size of my canvas. You will need 2 short sticks for the bottom and top, 2 longer sticks for the front to close up the frame, and 2 longer sticks for the sides to cover the exposed foam core. Here is trend piece 1 complete. To incorporate the rising vintage decor trend, we can make distressed tin candles. The key to this craft are white hot glue sticks. Start by selecting plastic caps in the size you want your candles. I like the caps from lunchbox juice bottles. Also, cut thin strips of computer paper. Cover the paper with glue and wrap it around the cap a little below the open top. This mimics the look of a tin can lip. Now you can paint your caps silver. Try a matte over chrome finish. Look up images of vintage can labels and choose one that suits your dollhouse or brings the 2020 colour trends. Print and cut them out. Glue them to your cap. Next, fill the cap almost to the top with melted white hot glue. While the glue is still hot, put a small piece of metal paperclip into the wax for a candle wick. Paint the wick black and you are done. Trend 3 mixes the ever-popular natural textures with bling, so we are making wood coasters with a gold edge. Use a hole punch to cut circles from recycled paperboard. You will need at least 4. Punch more circles from wood grain scrapbook paper. Stack and glue the circles together. And use the specialty paper ones for the top and bottom. We can clean up the edges using metallic gold cardstock. Wrap a thin strip around the coaster and use low-tack tape to help hold it in place while it dries. I made 6 coasters in total and used scrap florist wire to quickly make a holder for them. Here we have 3 simple decor crafts to update the dollhouse for 2020. This video explored ideas for the doll's living room. But if you like this type of tutorial, let us know and we can look into ideas for the dollhouse kitchen and bedroom. Thanks for watching and see you again at Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.